Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Well, today I am heading to Ohio where I'll be camping on a farm and using no tent. I'll be sleeping in a lean-to, and of course we got a lot of good food, so I'll see you guys there. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Well, we have a different kind of camping today. We are going to be out here for 3 nights, and I am on a Christmas tree farm. So the smell is it's just wonderful. I'll do some videos later of the part of the Christmas tree farm. And right next to Cuyahoga National Park, which is just right down the road here, well, actually through the Christmas trees and into the forest. So I can't wait to explore that. I've never been there before. But right now I am starving, and I got a big juicy ribeye with some mushrooms and onions. So I'll get with you guys in a few. So this is where I'm at. I said farm, but you didn't know what kind of farm. It is a Christmas tree farm. How awesome is that? This is my view. Beautiful. Go, final touch. I had to get out the sun. It's getting a little overheated. The only thing about this area is that there's zero shade over here. So let's see what we got here. Oh, that's good. Wow, this place is huge. Got little baby trees. That is called a A-frame. I'm thinking about staying there next time. Let's look inside. Wow. That's pretty neat. That's pretty cool. So let's check out Campsite H. Whoever gets this spot, it's got a haul and a half from the parking lot to here. Whoa! Scared the poop out of me. Okay, I gotta show you guys something. My family knows me too well. Is that not hilarious? So the way I do my Dutch oven ribs is I don't eat sweets, and I know that this apple juice seems like a lot of sugar, but most of it will boil out, but I'll fill it up and we will put it on the fire. Ooh, that is hot. And this is heavy. There we go. Let that boil. I cooked them just a little bit too long on the Dutch oven, so it's not going to take long on the grill here. Get a nice little char on it. They'll already fall off the bone. But I did cook them a little bit too long. Yes, I'm in the shade again. So, it's all done. This was a labor of love, I'll tell you. I'm just gonna eat out of the pan since it's just me. But let's give it a shot. Oh my goodness, it fall off the bone. They are looking good. Got a little solar light there. Headlamp, flashlight, knife right by my side. There's my nice twin mattress, sleeping bag and pillow. And it's really roomy in here. I mean, probably 3 people. Also have a tarp right up there, so in case it does rain real bad and the wind's blowing just right, I can close it so I don't get soaking wet in here. But good morning. What a nice foggy backdrop. A little chilly this morning. Good morning, everybody. It was a heck of a night last night. Storms came through. I stayed dry. I didn't even have to put the tarp down. The wind was blowing just right, so it didn't get inside the shelter. Oh, coffee's so good this morning. But storms are supposed to come back around this afternoon. So I'm going to try to do a little bit more exploring. Try to find my way over there into that park some way. I can't find the exact trail, so other than that, I'll probably have to batten down the hatches about 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, because the storms are rolling back in. So anyhow, if you are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and give me a comment, and I'll see you guys a little bit later. So I haven't figured out if I'm on a trail or this scavenger hunt. Oh, that's a nice little spot right there. Lots of shade. So I figured out the trail I've been on is this scavenger hunt, because if you look down here, it has different clues. Still a nice pretty walk. Well, hello everybody. I am making a very simple lunch here. Forgive me for the noise. This is a working farm, so they're doing their farm work. I'm going to have Skyline chili with just some hot dogs and some hot buffalo sauce on it, and Fiesta blend cheese. Very simple, very easy. It is too hot out here to be making big meals. So, first going to get our chili in here. I'm going to cut up my hot dogs. This is Little Caesars hot buffalo sauce. It is actually very good. Alrighty. Oh, got my garlic powder. There we go. Some weenies, but no beanies. Skyline Chili doesn't have any. So let's give it a shot. That is good. Quick and easy. And you don't even need a bowl.